Hello, in front of me I have Mibro Watch A1 and I'm gonna show you how to download and install additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download and install additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mibro Fit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mibro Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And after you open the app, you should see the home page. Now find the device icon and tap on it. And here you should see your Mibro Watch A1. Now tap on the watch faces and it will open the basically page with the watch faces you can install on your watch, and you can swipe up to scroll, and you can also load more watch faces by simply swiping up and releasing to load more. So find the watch face you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it, you can tap on it, and then you can tap on installation button to download and install the watch face. As you can see, after the watch face is done being installed, it's gonna be applied on your watch. And if you want to see a list of the watch faces you installed on your watch, you can tap on the watch faces right here and you will see the download history. Okay, and that's how you download and install additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.